Galaxy Watch 5 is all set to break records. We finally have some leaked renders of Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro that provide us with the first look at what the latest smartwatch from Samsung would look like, courtesy of Evan Blass and 91 Mobile. Now combine that with all the leaked information, it seems like Galaxy Watch 5 series will sell like hotcakes. Like last year, we will get two models, a smaller Galaxy Watch 5 and a more oversized Galaxy Watch 5 Pro model. The classic version is gone. As you can see from the renders, the Galaxy Watch 5 looks identical to the Galaxy Watch 4. However, the real twist in the plot is with Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. The rotating bezel is gone. Instead, we get this black bar surrounding the display, which kind of slopes down a little from the edges to join the display, which puts the display at a lower level from the border. Now, could it be that this black strip around the display is touch sensitive and could work in a similar way the touch bezel on Galaxy Watch 4 works? I have my fingers crossed. Just like the raised rotating bezel on Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, this raised border on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will also serve to protect the display. The second thing to note is the availability of the Pro models in two colors, the black and titanium grey. The titanium grey is very different from what Samsung has offered in the past. Personally, I really like this color and have my eyes on it once the watch is released next month alongside Galaxy Fold and Flip devices. Which color do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Moving on, another difference I have noticed in the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro render is the band. It looks like a standard silicone band, but gone is the buckle mechanism. There seems to be a foldable mechanism that brings the two ends of the band together and is locked in with magnetic studs at the end. It's neat, looks very nice and matches the body color. And finally, the last difference I have spotted is this sensor looking thing at the back of the watch. Now we have heard several rumors of getting a temperature sensor and then not getting one as well. The same is the case with the blood sugar level sensor. Since this seems like a new addition to the arsenal of several sensors on previous Galaxy watches, my hopes have soared that we might end up getting some new technology in Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro after all. Apart from this new feature, the base Galaxy Watch 5 model looks identical to the Galaxy Watch 4. Everything from the shape to the buttons to the band is similar. There is also news that the Pro model will come in only one size, which is 45mm, and the base model will have a 44mm version and another smaller variant. And these new watches will be running on Wear OS 3.5 with One UI 4.5 on top. Another very important leak was that Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will get a bigger battery, and by bigger I mean a monster of a battery. According to leaks, it will have a 572 mAh battery as compared to the 361 mAh on the previous model. That's a whopping 60% increase in battery capacity and can potentially solve the battery problems of Galaxy watches since switching to the Wear OS.